Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. We're showing the Pace Omni Line 400 automatic bottle unscrambler right now. What you hear running is a fan inside for the cleaning system, I believe. It's connected to its speed elevator. We're going to show you in a moment. Everything operating on it. Has this feeder with it. A small kicker at the bottom, keep material from falling past the cleated elevator as it travels up. Quick look, all of our VFDs, everything operating, controls nice and clean. We have lots of bottle unscramblers in our stock, so do visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.